Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stamp Sue Creates here. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. If you are a returning visitor and follower, I appreciate you coming here as well. I'm just cleaning off some of the cat hair on my desk. My cat loves to be in the window, and it's been so beautiful here. So anyhow, I have just a small little haul of some fabric. Now this fabric I purchased Memorial Weekend, and I just received it today. Today is what? Today is the 17th. It's June 17, 2021. Over the Memorial Day weekend, Missouri Star Quilt Company was having a huge sale. And you know, those of you that love fabric like I do, and you see sale, I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? So I picked up, I actually was on there and I saw this, but we'll leave that for last. But then I saw this and I'm like, oh, I have to get that for my stash. So this is a pack of fabric. It's called So Excited by Andy Metz. And it's just a bundle of fabric based on a sewing theme. And it looks like it says So Excited, fat quarter bundle, 7-piece, cut and assembled in the USA, which is, oh, that's fabulous. I love that. So let's take a look at this fabric. So anyhow, if you've never been to Missouri Star Quilt Company, they are online, and of course, they're in the state of Missouri. Now, they did say online when you order that they have a couple week backlog. So yeah, I want to say it was, because Memorial Weekend was what, the end of May, and it took 3 weeks to get here. So it's worth the wait when they have their sale. And if you sign up, and they're not sponsoring me by any means, they're not paying for what I ordered, none of that. Just wanted to share a little purchase. So when you do order, you will notice that on top of their page. So please be aware of that. So don't be mad at them, you know, for your order taking long, but it's worth the wait. So, oh my gosh, look how cute this fabric is. And you see all this with the dress forms, super cute. I love that. Now you're going to be wondering, what am I going to do with this? Well, I don't know. You know, who knows when they buy fabric? They just see fabric they like and we buy it, right? So here's another one. This has a overall flower design in a yellow. Here is a green, the same type of fabric, design going all over it. And oh, this one looked cute. I could see it through the package. Oh my gosh, I love these little strips with the sewing machines and the thread and the scissors. Isn't that super cute? And look at how this fabric all coordinates together. You know, one of the reasons why I like to buy bundles of fat quarters even. So I don't know what I'm going to make with it, but some sort of fun sewing project, probably something with the embroidery machine. If you have any ideas what I could do with this, leave them down below in the comments. And look at how stinking cute this is. Oh my gosh, with the spools of thread and the buttons. So I'm going to have to fold these all up and then lay them all out next to one another, so then we can get the overall picture, because I'm just kind of making a hot mess out of all this. So there's that. And this one is really cute. Look at that. It has these flower buttons on it. Really cute, right? With the black background. And this looks like another one with the forms on it, but with a black background. So let's lay all this out so we can get a look. And I mean, I don't remember exactly what this was, but if it was expensive, I wouldn't have ordered it. You know, I'm thrifty in that way. So, yeah, definitely sign up go to their website, sign up for their emails. They do tons of specials. I believe they do a different special every day. I would have to go and get another job along with the 2 or 3 jobs I already have in order to participate in all of their sales. And let me try to see if I can fold this. Oh, here we go. This way, that way. All right. So look at how cute this fabric line is. Oh my gosh. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fat quarters, all based on a sewing theme. Super cute. I love that. So I don't know. like I said, if you have any ideas, I'm thinking maybe some zipper bags, or I don't know what. I'll have to think. And that's what happens a lot of times. I buy fabric and then it's kind of like I love the fabric and I'll figure out later what I'm going to do with it. So there's that. Now they were also throwing in a free tote bag, which is really nice. And it's all, you know, with the red, white, and blue and the stars and stripes. And it says life, liberty, and the pursuit of fabric. Huh. I don't know, can you see that? There you go. Isn't that super cute? And that was absolutely free that they threw that in. It has an outside pocket and the sides are gusseted and it's really nice and deep and nice handles. So I like to use bags like this to put my fabric in, like if I'm in the process of going through fabric and trying to organize it, which if you have an idea how to organize your fabric, please let me know. So I like that. But this was the main reason why I made a purchase, is I saw this. And here is the back. It's Riley Blake Designs, and it is called Bee's Life, and it says Tara Reid. Now, you all know, if you've been to my embroidery Facebook page, I'm Sweets Bee Embroidery, and also with my Stampin' Up, my team member's name is Sweets Bee Stampers. So of course, you know, bees are my thing. I'm not a fan of regular bees, real bees. I know they have a purpose in life, but just so they don't bother me, I'm fine with that. So let's take a look at this. Now these are 10-inch, it's called a 10-inch stacker. And it's 100% cotton, machine wash cold, no chlorine bleach, tumble dry low, and remove promptly. So Riley Blake Designs, I love their fabric. I mean, I'm not a big name person as far as fabric, but Riley Blake, I know I do like it. So, oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Pure raw honey, pollen from, I can't read that, family owned since, royal honey. So let's get one, super cute, all natural, 2, 3, so you get 3 of those. Look at this, all over bee hives, I think you can, yeah, bee hives. Some of them have a little thing on them. So cute. And I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Oh, look at that, all over bees. Oh my goodness, beautiful. So 1, 2, 3 of that. Oh, look at how cute, the honeycomb with the black. That also reminds me of like chicken wire. So I guess it could go either way. Love that. I like how it all coordinates. Was there 3 of that one? I'm only counted 2. 1, 2. Huh, only got 2 of that one. Huh. Okay, so here is the black design, like the first one that I showed, but it's all with the black and white and kind of gray. 1, 2. I wonder if I got chipped one. Huh. Just recount. Yeah, I'm only seeing 2 of that one, unless there's more later on. So here it is in a different tone. Super cute. You could see some fun coasters made out of it. So here's the same one as before, but with a white kind of dirty looking background. 3 of those. And here's the all over bees again. Now I even have fabric markers that I bought. So you could even go in and color in those other bees, I suppose, if you wanted to. But I like the contrast of some colored, some not. Okay, so here is that honeycomb again. Let me see how many of those I got. 1, 2. I only got 2 of them too, so you must only get 2 of those. Look how cute that is. In the brown tones. And here it is in the golden tones. That almost looks like a cell phone. Oh no, it looks maybe a ticket. Maybe that's a ticket. 1, 2, 3 of those. And then we're back to the beehive. Not that there was other designs in it, but maybe not. 2, 3. But these are nice, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Nice squares that you already pre-cut, pinked on the edges, ready to, whether you want to make a quilt, a wall hanging, use these for a background, lots of things. They're great for the embroidery machine because of the size of them. So you can very easily do something 8 by 10, 8 by 12 hoop, 8 by 8 hoop, that kind of thing. So I like the background of that. And they're basically a repeat of the same design, but in all different colors, which is what makes it so fun. So 1, 2, yeah, I guess those you only get 2. And here we are with the raw honey, 3 of those. So for whatever reason, I don't know. So there's 42 pieces, I guess, in order for them to give you the nice variety. But I think this one's my favorite. The nice variety is, and 42 pieces, they had to figure it that, you know, maybe they figured that one wasn't as popular. But I like it. I think it's cute. Very cute. So yes, that is my little haul, my Bee's Life, and the dressmaker fabric, and a free tote bag. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you like what you see and you have not yet subscribed, I really would appreciate it. By you subscribing, you help promote my channel. You help me know what is important to you, what type of videos you like. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What do you think I should make with these? Because, you know, I'll be like itching to want to make something, of course. So don't forget to subscribe. Next to that, you'll see a little bell. If you click on that bell, it will open up a little window where you can click on if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. And I really would appreciate if you do that. You'll be first on the block to know when I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye for now.